Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch Pink Katydid in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you my collection. I'm going to open up collection and select insect story. And I'm going to show you how the Pink Katydid looks like. This one guys, wow, it's so cute. And I'm going to show you the details. Okay, and basically guys, you can catch this Pink Katydid during the Bait the Insect event. You can start the event at the Anson Mountain. The Bait the Insect event will give you more chance to catch this Pink Katydid. Or actually you can catch the Pink Katydid here, but it will be easier for you if you start or if you join the Bait the Insect event at the Anson Mountain. Just go to this area. You can track this event, Bait the Insect event. You can track it and you can start it. And if you're lucky, you will meet the Pink Katydid insect. And I'm going to show you guys my insect catching hobby level. I'm going to open up my hobby, and for the insect catching, I got level 5. Okay guys, and that's how we can catch the Pink Katydid in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!